This video concerns the underspeed setting for the DSR and DER1 regulators. We will discuss the underspeed protection for the DSR and DER1 regulators for the safe operation of the alternator. Please note that this does not remove any obligation by the customer to have the speed of the prime mover set correctly. For your safety, please note that when the alternator is turning, the regulator is live and will give you an electric shock if touched. We urge you to read the manual supplied with each alternator and use an insulated screwdriver for adjustments of the regulator potentiometers. When replacing an old regulator with a new one, please read the alternator manual to make sure you connect the wires correctly. Please note it may not be the same as for the original regulator if a new model regulator is supplied. Please consult your local McAulty representative if in doubt. For remote voltage adjustment, the DSR uses a 10 k ohm potentiometer. The DER1 uses either a 100 k ohm for plus or minus 14% adjustments or a 25 k ohm potentiometer with 3.9 ohm resistor in series for a plus or minus 7% adjustment. Importantly, the digital regulators have two versions. The DSR and DER1 for Series 3 to Series 38 alternators has a white base. Then the DSR/A and DER1/A for Series 40, 43 and 46 alternators with a blue base. If the generator uses the McAulty PFR96 power factor regulator, then this will need to be changed to the PFR96/2. New regulators will not have the underspeed protection set to a particular level. We recommend that the overload potentiometer shown here and labelled Hertz is turned fully anti-clockwise like this before adjusting with the alternator turning. If the underspeed protection is not set correctly, then you do risk damaging the alternator. If adjusting the underspeed protection on a factory supplied alternator, the underspeed will be factory set to 90% of the RPM indicated on the nameplate and test report. Please be sure if it is the RPM relating to either 50 Hz or 60 Hz which applies. With the alternator turning in a no-load condition, reduce speed to 90% of the nominal speed. The Hertz potentiometer for underspeed adjustment has a wide adjustment range. This means that only very small turns are required to adjust the underspeed protection significantly. Turn the Hertz potentiometer clockwise until you see the alternator voltage reduce by around 1%. This is 396 volts for a 400 volt machine. The LED on the DSR will change from a slow uniform on-off for normal operation to a continuous flash, which means the underspeed protection circuit is activated. Run the engine or prime mover back to full speed and the LED will go back to a slow uniform on-off and the voltage will be at its nominal level.